Hey guys, my name is Rago with Rago Fabrication, and I know a lot of you out there are really new to off-roading and overlanding and those type of genres. So when you first get a Tacoma or a 4Runner or even a Tundra, usually people install lights. And that being said, the last thing they think about after purchasing the lights and doing all the research is how to mount the relays and all electrical internally under the engine compartment. And a lot of you guys are fairly new into it and still want to retain the factory look while still providing the functionality. Well, Rago Fabrication's had these brackets for a very long time. They're called the universal relay brackets, as well as the relay brackets. They're vehicle specific for the Tacoma, 4Runner, and Tundra. They simply install to the factory locations right here under the hood. It's designed to hold 3 relays because normally when you buy a vehicle and you're beginning into it, you have ditch brackets, light bar mounts, and then hidden bumper brackets to support all 3. Once you go beyond that, it gets a little bit more technical, and then you're looking into bigger systems such as the Switch Pros. So these are really simple to install. They're available at Rago Fabrication, and let me show you how easy it is and what it looks like in the end. So when you order this from Rago Fabrication, it comes with all the mounting hardware, and these are simply the holes that are factory and they're already tapped. You're going to get your mounting hardware, slide it in the hole, and simply just thread it in. Simple as that. It'll take less than a minute. So you simply get a 5mm Allen wrench and tighten it down. It's as easy as that. The hardware provided is all stainless steel, so it won't rust, and this is powder coated to last you forever. And you're simply just going to take your relays and slide it into the slots right there to retain that factory look. A lot of dealers purchase these to install because it creates that factory look and tidies everything up and doesn't create problems down the line.